Hold on where the point this thing I talk about. Send him back on yard, Queenie. And he ungrateful and this. So no know what it is like more while when a woman send phone to come a foreign. You no know what some man go through up here so just to get straight. Let me tell you this, man. Half of the time, you know, the opportunity come with blood clad, some fine print. It come with fine print. Them never tell us say you go come a foreign and can't send back $1 go your yard. They not go tell us say you go come a foreign and want go out and have to ask permission like what Queenie say. You can't be my husband again. I mean, yo, what the blood yo. One thing with me, you know, I see him way me reach a foreign, but yo, me come here come put my foot down for me come off of the plane. You get what me I say, and if you see this can see this and comment if I like me I tell. For me reach here, me put my foot down. Cause you what the next week, and my resume me start send on. Me not come here for blood clot pay a house boy. You hear that me I tell you. And me remember when me just come here and some little things start going when people feel like they can program me and me have to put people in a them place and walk out, go and link some of my virgin them and reach and me nigga them foot and I show them the 100 I walk and I say, no Biggs, you can't do that. Remember say you know get your me say brother, when the link come a Jamaica come meet me in a bar, she come hear people like call me, you know. Me never do a yard or so far, you know. And me a boy we quick for pop my suitcase and draw for my passport, you know. You get where me I come from. Because me I tell you, trust me, I true me no want talk it. Some things a man up a foreigner go through where woman bring them here, you won't know. Because they not give up the opportunity, they afraid of Jamaica. And yo, trust me, man. Who feels it knows it. Do it, my boy. You say if you not suit you, brother. Cause you know one next thing we hot about this, you have some old bumbucklat girl. Zane, when them done fuck down blood clot Jane and Finch and all about the cut. And suit for them blood clot self, they want to take up some young boy in them prime. Between 25 and 35. And want to tie you down. Can you come a foreign come tie you down like you know want to enjoy for your whoring days either. Yo, I want to some woman, man. I want, yo, stick to some man in the age category where beat out like, oh no, God see I know, no disrespect, but facts are facts. You get where me I come from? My opinion may not be popular, especially amongst the female diaspora, but guess what? I care fucking zero. The word donkey said the world no level and me tired to see it. Because we don't want to get where we don't know what man get where we do, you know. You get where me I come from? Brother, do we not make nobody tell about you ungrateful? Me know better. Me know man up here put up with some blood. Yo, thank God my bar now, my bar now. Bad, my bum buckler bad. Yeah, me I tell you that. Yeah, man, no joke, brother. If you not suit your brother, go back your yard. God see I know. Because people are going like foreigner bills, foreigner obligations, foreigner want go, man, can't go.
Let me think one next way too. Alright, look on this. Me not pick up female, but look into this, right? One time I go on tag. So you know the site when you tag where them say meet white man fan, right? And I go on tag. And me sign up on everything. And when me in a tag, I text the man them when them 50s and them 60s because them the man they have money and we willing to give we as young girls. More than the younger one them. So I'm go up and tag now one thing and I start text the man them about like say for example, I text 10 man and the 10 of them reply. And I say I get to know them and whatever. I beg the 10 of them money. I tell one say listen rent one pay. I tell the next one say listen me have school for go. And I tell the next one say this me have more and grocery for buy. And the whole of them will send me money and me take the money. So might be him in a himself probably other things say you in a yourself probably not want a true love or whatever. So it probably him not really want, probably him not look at it for scam you. Like him not want scam you one time and cut. Probably might just do something like what me would do. As you see a look a white man or whatever. We don't want there with the white man. But we would have begged them a money if we get a money and knowing that we're going to tell a lie if we get our next money. Probably a lot of things me not pick up fee, but it can't happen for true in another way. Because the same thing a man do we, but the same thing a man do man do too.
The lie them never had a
But me not like the part where some company the media come show your name and talk about. Me not like
the boy has same mother dead.
Vicky,
you see the mother dead part? But don't like a part.
Not like the
mother
serious
dead part,
slide
not like that.
Yeah.
You tell lies say your mother dead, don't stop. You for poison.
If you want one, Vicky, you have to go put Abel on a date. Abel get too fat, Vicky, me I tell you the truth. Abel get too fat. Put Abel on a date. Me see Abel in a car, me think about 10 man in a car because
him say my big baller. It's not no big baller. Nobody don't knows him. He come from Mandeville. Nobody don't know him. My one goalkeeper. Nobody don't know him. The boy tell me like, the boy say my visa for go America. The boy say my visa for go England. I say show me a visa. I know.
Barney link me ASAP. Me I link you to come off of this cheese. Yes, me send us something on WhatsApp though. No man, that the boy that so when him go up on
no, him could class me for life. You crazy, I'm gonna send 2 man go kill him. Class who? Could class me for live. You crazy? No, stop me for wish live.
Yes, that's why. You see, that's why share sometimes and everybody of it help sometimes. Even if your heart really want to help them, you have to man up and say nah help them because them are pussy one. That's why I see me top help people, you know. Because you help them and when you look at them, see a man turn around and bite. You look and look up at the boy when me tell me to help what they are. The boy never know to stay in the share. I'm going to tell you one of the reasons why I pick him up. Because I remember when me used to live at Watchy, and I come town, a friend yard at town me come live. And me see how friend treat me when me there them yard and kick me out hours and night. Them kick me out of them house and me have to catch up a man yard. Me have to there club and sell fuck to survive. And have to save up money from fucking to can pay my rent and them something. So yes, so me have a little somebody when I claim to see my friend and them in need. Me willing to help them because remember when I go through a mood one. Somebody when I call my friend to go through them things, so I'm willing to help them. And the boy come here, come diss me. Me I tell us a share to me did rate Devano. Me and him have the conflict and the man, me tell him to left me out and him leave. Me no bring it past social media because me I say me rate the boy to a fuck when me don't need. And I'm telling you, the people me consider as my real friends, you will you know much things done and me and Stunner go through and you never see me come past social media come cuss Stunner. Me tell us me did rate the boy where me not me there so when him gone. And it look like the people them on IG realize them gone because them not hearing voice in the background and I go live and them not seen. So them I say, what they want to them? And me I say, you know, I could have said to them, say, no call the Batman the name, him not live there. You know them where there? Me not say that, I said to them, say, you know, say I'm gone up on mother, him good, gone up on mother. Knowing me, who love class, and I give a fuck who you be. You could have been my mother, my sister, me go class, yo. And me make the people them know, say, yo, him good, you know, him gone up on mother. Only if you hear the next day, me dep on my live and somebody say, they van a class, and I couldn't believe me come up on the live and go text him, and him and deny it, say, oh, me did up on the road with my mother. And when I say everybody a comment, me I say people can't tell so much lie, and people screen record it and send me it, and me I say, bumbo, can you say people wicked? So that's why now, you got some friend who are really in need of the help, and because when you go through, you
man, yeah, some feel. And some
and if
feel,
you always
you know, say,
you always are going a batty one. So I just decide
you know, say,
nothing help
but yeah,
them.
somebody look for me and say, Shay, you know, I really need some credit. I get some credit. More than 5% make me credit. I'm just find it hard to give them. Then the next time I look for me and tell me, say, they need help with something. I just find it hard. I just find it hard to just give everybody. Anybody who asks me, long as I'm a family, I just find it hard to give them.